Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Insightful Maths. Today is the first introduction video wherein I will be discussing the very basic concepts of mathematics, that is LCM and HCF. You might be learning these topics since the junior grades, grade 4, 5, 6, but I've still seen the students struggling with these topics. So before starting any of the complicated topic, it is very much necessary to have a grasp on on these basic topics so that we can do the complicated questions easily later on. So can we start? I request you to please watch the video till end so that you are able to understand the difficult topics later on very easily. So let's start. Okay, so let us start with the multiples. Multiples, you know what are multiples? If let's say I have a number 2, okay, so all the numbers which let's say in a common language आपने जैसे जूनियर स्टैंडर्ड्स में सीखा होगा, 2 की टेबल में जितने भी नंबर आते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. These are the multiples of 2. ये multiples कैसे मिले हमें? आप देखो, 2 multiplied by 1, is it giving you 2? Then 2 multiplied by 2, it is giving you 4. 2 multiplied by 3, it is giving you 6, and so on. So have a look these numbers. This is 2, 4, 6. ये सब number क्या है? These numbers come in the table of 2. So hence these are multiples of 2. हमें कैसे मिले ये number? When I am multiplying the given number starting from 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. और ये numbers क्या होते हैं? We start from 1 till infinity. These are the set of natural number. So that means if any given number is there, जो number हमने क्या लिया है? 2. If I multiply this number 2 with the set of natural number, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, मैं अगर इससे multiply करती चली जाऊँ, I will get all the multiples of 2. तो अब आप मुझे बताओ, can I count how many multiples of 2 are there? बताओ. We cannot count how many multiples because the natural numbers are infinite. मुझे ये तो पता है कि first number is 1 that I have to multiply 2 with. लेकिन greatest number क्या होगा ये तो मुझे नहीं पता. So एक चीज आपको पता होना चाहिए, multiples of any number are infinite. हमें नहीं पता कितने हैं because numbers are infinite. ठीक है? Let's take another number. The number is 3. अब हम 3 के सारे multiples लिखते हैं. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, so on. It will continue, okay? Because they are unlimited. अब हमारा topic क्या है? I am looking for LCM of these two numbers 2 and 3. LCM का full form is least. L stands for least. 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 This C stands for common and M stands for multiple. So I am looking for the smallest number जो 2 का भी मल्टीपल है, जो 3 का भी मल्टीपल है. ठीक है, मैं 2 के मल्टीपल्स भी इसके नीचे लिख देती हूँ. देखो 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 एंड सो ऑन. अब आप देखो, लेट मी स्टार्ट कंपेयरिंग नाउ 2 एंड 3. दोनों नंबर तो मैचिंग नहीं है. लेट मी टेक द मल्टीपल ऑफ द बिगर नंबर. आई एम फाइंडिंग द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ द बिगर नंबर इन द टेबल ऑफ स्मॉलर वन. Does 3 come in the table of 2? It does not come. Cross it. Am I having 6 in the table of 2? Have a look. 6 is there. So can I say that 6 is the smallest, the least number which comes in the table of 2 and 3 both? It is yes. So LCM of 2 and 3, what is that? It is equal to 6. ठीक है? In the similar manner, अब आप try करो. What is the LCM of 3 and 4? Quickly. Multiples of 3 you already know. It is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and so on. Multiples of 4 I am writing 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and so on. I'll give it a pause now. Think over it. What did I say? Look for the multiples of bigger number in the table of smaller number. I'll just wait for your answer. Looking at the numbers, don't know. Bigger multiples ये है देखो. Which of these is the first number or the least number which is in the table of another number as well? सबसे छोटा नंबर जो दोनों की टेबल में, आप देखो 4 does not come in the table of 3. It cannot be the LCM. 8, again it's not there. 12, yes, 12 and 12 is matching here. So can I say the LCM of 3 and 4 is 12? Answer is yes. ठीक है. अब देखो ये तो बिल्कुल छोटे नंबर थे. दिस इज वन ऑफ द मेथड्स फॉर फाइंडिंग द लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल. अगर मेरे पास 2 और मोर देन 2 नंबर्स होते हैं एंड द नंबर्स आर बिगर इनफ, देयर इज अ मेथड ऑफ रिपीटेड डिवीजन. ओके, देयर इज अ मेथड ऑफ रिपीटेड डिवीजन that we use for finding the LCM. I'll do one for you, then you can do other yourself. For example, I have the numbers 4, 6 and let's say 8. I'm having these three numbers. मुझे इन तीनों का LCM निकालना है, ठीक है? So what you are going to do, you just make a division table like this. Write the numbers 4, 6 and 8. Now we can see that these three are even numbers. ठीक है? अगर even नहीं भी हो, look for a number which divides all three or maybe one or two of these. So 2 divides all these numbers. So what we'll do, I'll just write 2 outside. अब इन तीनों नंबर को ना मुझे 2 से डिवाइड करना है. 4 divided by 2, it is 2, comma 6 divided by 2, it is 3, 8 divided by 2, it is 4. यहाँ तक ठीक है? Let's go next. आफ्टर दिस अब आप देखो 2 दोबारा 2 से डिवाइड होगा, 4 भी हो जाएगा, 3 नहीं होगा, बट दैट्स एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. जो नंबर डिवाइड नहीं होगा ना, विल टेक इट डाउन एज इट इज. अगेन आई विल स्टार्ट डिवाइडिंग इट बाय 2. 2 divided by 2, it's 1. 3 cannot be divided, so what we'll do, we'll take 3 down as it is. 4 divided by 2, it is again 2. यहाँ तक ठीक है? Once again, I can see 2, 3 and 1 here. 1 तो 1 से divide होता है. I'll once again take 2. 1 is not divisible by 2. Take it as it is. 3 cannot be divided by 2. Take it as it is. 2 divided by 2, it is 1. यहाँ तक ठीक है? We'll keep on dividing till the time our remainder or in the end we get 1, 1, 1. ठीक है? तब तक divide करेंगे. अब 1 और 1, मेरे को 2 1 तो मिल गया, but I'm having this 3 left out. So now divide it by 3. 1 cannot be divided as it is. 3 divided by 3, it's 1. 1 cannot be divided, it's 1. What did I say? Last में जब आपके पास 1 1 1 आ जाता है ना, so you need to stop here. आप LCM कैसे निकालेंगे? LCM. ये जो नंबर आपके पास आए हैं ना, 2, 2, 2 and 3. So you need to write these numbers and take their product. Product means the multiplication of these numbers. इन सबको मल्टीप्लाई करके जो भी आपका प्रोडक्ट आता है, दैट इज द LCM. अब यहाँ देखो 2 multiplied by 2, is it 4? 4 multiplied by 2, it is 8. 8 into 3 is 24. आ गया आपका आंसर, दैट इज 24. Easy enough? Okay, I'll give you one more question. Just try to do that. Okay. We'll do these later. Okay. The numbers I give to you is, now the numbers are 6 and 18. I'm just giving you 2 numbers. Quickly get me the LCM of these 2 numbers. Quickly. Using that repeated division method only. Just make a division table like this. It's your choice. Either you can start dividing by 2 or by 3 or by 6, any other number. But the remainder, in the last, you should get 1 word. ठीक है? शुरू करें? I'm waiting for your LCM. What you can do, you can just pause the video for a while, get your answer and then recheck if your and my answer is matching. Alright? 2, 6 divided by 2, it is 3. 18 divided by 2, it is 9. अब आप देखो 3 and 9, they both are not divisible by 2. So another number I can pick is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Again, I'm having one more 3. So 3, 1 cannot be divided as it is. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Last में आ गया ना आपके पास 1 1. We need to stop here. So LCM of these three numbers will be the product of 2, 3 and 3. Just write it here. 2, 3 and 3. So 2 into 3 it is 6 and 6 into 3 it is 18. That's your answer. You know there is a beautiful trick here. अगर आपके पास दो नंबर है ना and the bigger number is a multiple of smaller number. What did I say? If you are having two numbers and you need to find the LCM of those numbers, बड़ा वाला number comes in the table of smaller number, then always bigger number is your LCM. ठीक है, try करो. If I give you the number 4 and 12, what is the LCM? अब देखो 12 comes in the table of 4, so this is the bigger number, that's your LCM. If I give you the number 2 and 6, what's the LCM? 6, bigger number comes in the table of 2, bada number 6, LCM. If I give you the number 10 and 100, ab easy hai na? If I give you the number 10 and 100, does this bigger number come in the table of smaller one? Yes, so your LCM is 100 here. Easy? So I think till LCM part you're okay with. Now let us start with highest common factor. Okay, I'm starting with HCF. H stands for highest. C stands for common. And F stands for factor. बेटा highest common factor निकालने से पहले let us understand what are the factors. अगर मेरे पास एक नंबर है, let me take a smaller number, let's say it is 8. All those numbers which will divide this number 8 completely without leaving any remainder, उन सारे numbers को हम factor कहते हैं. Can I divide 8 by 1? आप देखो अगर मैं 8 को 1 से divide करूँ पूरा divide हो जाएगा, no remainder. So yes, 1 is the factor of 8. If I take another number 2, 2 की टेबल में आता है ना 8, so 8 can be divided by 2. Answer is 4. कोई remainder नहीं बचा, 2 is a factor. Can I take 3 as the factor? अब आप देखो 3 की टेबल में तो 8 नहीं आता. It is not a factor. Does 8 come in the table of 4? Answer is yes. 4 की टेबल में तो 8 आता है, पूरा डिवाइड हो जाएगा. In the table of 5? No. 6? No. 7? No. 8? Yes. 8 की टेबल में 8 आता है. तो मेरे पास कौन से 4 फैक्टर्स आए? 1, 2, 4 and 8. These 4 are the factors of 8. दोबारा से हम एक्सप्लेनिंग. फैक्टर मीन्स वो सारे नंबर विच विल डिवाइड दिस नंबर कंप्लीटली विदाउट लीविंग द रिमाइंडर. सबसे छोटा फैक्टर ऑफ एनी नंबर इज 1. कोई भी नंबर हो, द स्मॉलेस्ट फैक्टर इज 1 एंड द ग्रेटेस्ट फैक्टर इज द नंबर इटसेल्फ. ठीक है, जब हमने मल्टीपल्स की बात की थी, वी नो दैट मल्टीपल्स आर इनफाइनाइट, वो चलते जाते हैं, हम नहीं काउंट कर सकते. बट have a look here. I said the factors of 8. How many factors are there? It is 4. So that means factors are finite. Finite means these are countable. These are limited. हमें पता होता है कि किसी भी नंबर के कितने factors हैं. The smallest factor is 1 and the greatest factor is the number itself. ठीक है, अब हम बात करते हैं highest common factor की. अब मैं आपको prime factorization you people already know. So let me take two numbers 6 and let's say 18. मुझे 6 और 18 का highest common factor निकालना है. Easiest way is using the prime factorization. I'll give you one more method. अब आप देखो prime factorization का मतलब होता है writing this number 6 or whichever number is given as the product of its prime numbers. Prime number पता है ना, जिनके सिर्फ 2 factors होते हैं, 1 and the number itself. वो किसी की टेबल में नहीं आते. Now 2 into 3 it's 6. Now again 3 into 1 it is 3. So can I write 6 as the product of 2 into 3? I can write this. In the similar manner, let us see the prime factorization of 18. 2 into 9 it's 18. 3 into 3 it's 9. 3 into 1 is 3. इस 1 को आप प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन में ऐसे में नहीं लिखोगे बिकॉज 1 इज नॉट अ प्राइम नंबर. ठीक है, हमने क्या किया, मैंने यहाँ पे प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन किया है 6 का. 6 is written as the product of two prime factors. So I'll write 18 as 2 into 3 into 3. Let me just write it here. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन किया. अब आप क्या करोगे, ध्यान से देखो. यू विल बी मेकिंग द पेयर ऑफ द नंबर्स विच कम इन बोथ द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. यहाँ पे देखो, आई एम हैविंग 2 अप एंड 2 डाउन, दोनों में 2 आ रहा है ना, दोनों का हमने एक पेयर बनाया. 3 up and 3 down. One more pair we have got. ये वाला 3 is not paired. Leave this one. इस pair में से from each pair you will just take one number out. So out of this pair take 1 2 out. Out of this pair 3 out. अब हम क्या करेंगे? Multiply these two numbers. So your highest common factor is the product of these two numbers. 2 multiplied by 3, answer is 6. Easy enough? हमने क्या किया? Once again, 6 और 18 का हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर निकालना था. Prime factorization of 6 is 2 multiplied by 3. It is shown here. Prime factorization of 18 is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. It's done here. उसके बाद we have made the pair of the similar numbers. 2 and 2 matching. We have made the pair. 3 and 3 matching. Again, one pair is made. Out of these pair, one number is taken out. So 2 from here, 3 from here, take the product, 2 multiplied by 3. What is the answer? 6. So this is your highest common factor. Good to go? Up, I was talking about one more method. ये तो देख easy छोटे number थे. So you can easily do the prime factorization, make the pairing up and then multiplying the numbers. One more very interesting method is there for finding the highest common factor of 2 or more numbers. That is the division method. It is very very useful when the numbers are bigger number और आपको नहीं पता, or maybe it takes a lot of time to prime factorize. Very interesting. 18, मेरे को कुछ तो नंबर का निकालना है, 6 and 18. So 18 has to be divided by 6. 6 into 3, it is 18 and what is the remainder? 0. अब आप देखो ये 18 एक ही बार में 6 से डिवाइड हो गया एंड द रिमाइंडर इज 0. आंसर आ गया ना हमारा. तो लास्ट में जिस नंबर से डिवाइड करके आंसर रिमाइंडर 0 आता है ना, वही नंबर आपका हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर होता है. ठीक है, तो हमारा हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर क्या आया 6 और 18 का? इट इज 6 ओनली. 6 से डिवाइड करके सीधा आंसर 0 आ गया ना. दिस इज द हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर. एक और एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. If I say I need to find the highest common factor of let's say 12 and 14 using the division method. ठीक है, इससे आपको ज़्यादा समझ आएगा. 12, आप देखो 12 into 1 is 12. 12 2s is 24. I cannot give to go till 2 times. So 12 into 1 is 12. याद है? ठीक है. Take the difference. Difference is 2. What did I say? The final remainder has to be 0. लेकिन मुझे decimal नहीं चाहिए ऊपर. Taking the decimal and then taking 0, it's not going to help. अब आप क्या करोगे? 14 तो 12 से डिवाइड नहीं होता. ये जो रिमाइंडर आपका आया है ना, this remainder now will become the divisor for your original divisor. आपका जो रिमाइंडर 2 आया है, इस रिमाइंडर से आप अपने ओरिजिनल डिवाइजर 12 को डिवाइड करेंगे. 2 into 6, इट इज 12. अब आप देखो 12 minus 12, रिमाइंडर इज 0. हमें रिमाइंडर 0 चाहिए होता है. किस नंबर से डिवाइड करके फाइनली रिमाइंडर 0 आया? 2 से. सो दैट मीन्स द हाइएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर ऑफ 12 and 14, that is 2. Correct? We'll do one more example. If I have to find what is the highest common factor of, let's say, 13 and 24. ठीक है, ये मेरा क्वेश्चन है. I need to find what is the highest common factor of 13 and 24. तो मैं क्या करूँगी? Once again, division method. 13 into 1 is 13. Take the difference. 4 minus 3 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. अब 11 रिमाइंडर आया है, मुझे तो 0 तक लेके जाना है. अब ये 11 क्या करेगा? 11 will divide your 13. 13 will go inside. Now 11 into 1 is 11. What is the difference? It is 2. मेरे पास 2 डिफरेंस आया, लेकिन आंसर तो मुझे 0 चाहिए, तो ये 2 क्या करेगा? वंस अगेन, अब इसके पहले का जो डिवाइजर था ना 11, देखो जब 11 बचा था, 11 ने 13 को डिवाइड किया, अब मेरे पास रिमाइंडर 2 आया, 2 से पहले डिवाइजर क्या था? 11. सो नाउ 2 विल बी डिवाइडिंग 11. 2 into 5 that is 10. रिमाइंडर इज 1. अब 1 भी रिमाइंडर नहीं हो सकता, तो 1 किसे डिवाइड करेगा? 1 will divide this 2 here. अब 2 will go in. We know that 2 is easily divisible by 1. 1 into 2 is 2 and remainder is 0. So आपका लास्ट में 0 किससे डिवाइड करने पे आया? इस 1 से डिवाइड करने पे. So that means highest common factor of these two numbers 13 and 25, what is the answer? It is 1. ये पता है, हम डायरेक्टली भी बता सकते हैं. ऐसा क्यों? 13 इज अ प्राइम नंबर. 13 के खाली 2 ही फैक्टर होते हैं, 1 और 13. 24 के बहुत सारे फैक्टर हैं. सबसे छोटा फैक्टर इज 1 एंड द ग्रेटेस्ट इज 24. अब 13 तो सिर्फ अपनी टेबल में आता है, किसी की टेबल में आता ही नहीं है. सो विच इज द ओनली कॉमन फैक्टर? दैट इज 1. द आंसर इज 1. I hope till here you are able to understand. If you find the content of this video useful, please revisit, do the questions again and again, and please subscribe the channel for other most interesting videos. You can maybe comment the topic you want me to discuss here or me to take the lecture. Okay?